Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh, so sweet voice. Okay. Yesterday, okay, we discussed till minimization, maximization, and unbalanced. Today, we will see prohibited routes. Today, we will see prohibited routes. What I told prohibited routes, if the problem is of minimization, what to do? If the problem is of minimization, what to do? Wherever the blank is given, we have to assume, right? Plus infinity, otherwise plus m. In some textbooks, it is given plus infinity. In some textbooks, it is given only 21 participants today. Okay, for minimization problem, what we have to do? We have to assign plus infinity cost for the prohibited position, right? Yesterday we discussed that. Shall I wait for 2 minutes? Everyday strength is 48, 49, today only 24. Whatever I am saying, are you getting? सब लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
But today, why students has become 5 minutes late? It's already 10:35. Right now, it's increasing. The number is increasing. Okay, here read ninth problem. Here read ninth problem. Assigning 4 tasks to 4 clerks, the time required to complete the tasks are given. You have to find out the optimal solution. Here the problem is, the objective is one person can do one job at a time. That means the given problem is of minimization. Okay, here we will find out the efficiency of the clerk. Then the given problem is of minimization. This is prohibited assignments or restricted rules. Here the given problem is of minimization. Then what we have to do? We have to find out row operation, correct? We have to perform row operation. Perform row operation wherever blanks are there. What I told you, have to assign a plus infinity cost. Here blank is there, then I am assigning infinity. Here also blank is there, then I am assigning infinity. Then here first perform row operation. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 4, 3. 8 minus 4, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. Then and second, you have to choose the minimum. You have to choose the minimum. Minimum one is 4. Here You are subtracting from infinity. That means infinity remains as it is, right? You are subtracting from infinity. Okay, infinity remains as it is. Then here, 8 minus 4, 4. 7 minus 4, 4 minus 4. Similarly, here, 3 is minimum. Then 3 minus 3, infinity minus 3, 8 minus 3, 3 minus 3. Next, fourth row, which is minimum, 2 is minimum. 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2 minus 2. Then row operation is over. Then perform column operation. Then perform column operation. First column, it remains as it is because 0 is there, right? Second column, 3 is smallest. 3 minus 3, 4 minus 3. If you are subtracting from infinity, it remains as it is. Infinity remains as it is. 4 minus 3, it is 1. And third column, 2 is smallest. 4 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 2 minus 2. Fourth column remains as it is. Then verify for assignments. How to verify for assignments? Where you found a single zero, you have to mark it with a square. In this particular column, if any other zero found, you have to cancel it out. This zero cancelled out, remaining is this. This zero cancelled out, remaining is this. Whenever you have marked the square, then this zero will be cancelled. Then single zero remain. Then 4 assignments we got? Yes. Then 1 goes to B. In the original matrix, 7. 2 goes to D. What is the value in the original matrix? 4. 3 goes to A. In the original matrix, the value is 3. 4 goes to C. In the original matrix, the value is, answer is 18. Answer is 18. Students, I have sent this to Gaikwad sir. Did you get the mail? Mail मिला
No,
क्या?
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Gaikwad sir को मैंने mail किया था because I don't have, means you don't have any group. I heard from Gaikwad sir. Here students 2019-21 batch like that group mail ID is there, but I asked you don't have that group mail ID. That's why I have sent this to Gaikwad sir. Maybe he will forward. Okay. Otherwise, any WhatsApp group do you have? All second year students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, means already you know my mail ID, otherwise you know my mobile number, I hope. Can you forward that group WhatsApp? कौन बात कर रहा है? Shivani? No, she is not there. Aditi? No, she is not there. Pooja? Pooja? Prashant?
Yes, ma'am.
Prashant, can you send that one? Whatever the
Yes.
WhatsApp ID you are having, WhatsApp group ID, whatever you are having. Okay. Can you text message? Can you message?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyhow, you are having, you can send me a mail or this. Yesterday already I had sent this to Gaikwad sir. Maybe today he will send. Okay. Any queries related to minimization, maximization, and unbalanced? Students, बात करो please. I'm not differentiating. आप लोग PCC हुई हमारे students को ज़्यादा पढ़ाना है ऐसा. I don't have that the kind of mentality. That's why every time I'm asking. समझ में आ रहा है सब लोगों को? If you are keeping mum, then what? I don't know, no. सब लोगों.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are not getting, please raise your doubt. Yesterday, one girl made a call. Pallavi Mori, is it from your batch?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Clear this problem? Minimization problem. if it is prohibited assignments? Yes or no? One student at least can respond. Next one, we will see next one, 10th one. Everybody read the problem. Read the problem. Here the given problem is of, tell me whether the given problem is of minimization or maximization. Students,
Let me read, ma'am.
Huh? The given problem is of maximization. Underline that. The higher the number, the greater the preference. The higher the number, the greater the preference. That's why the given problem is of maximization but not of minimization. Highlight that. Okay. Take down the problem. आप लोग बात ही नहीं कर रहे. Nobody is speaking. I don't know. Take down the problem. Today we will complete assignment problem. Are you practicing? Students practice कर रहे हैं क्या? Because from internet also you will get a number of problems. Are you practicing?
Yes, ma'am.
शिवानी?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ शिवानी आप ही बात करते हैं आपके बैच में. Others क्या है means they don't want to speak with Lakshmi ma'am. I don't know what is the problem. At least you can tell me. समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है कुछ भी पता नहीं चलता है. For me it's no loss. करेक्ट ना? मेरे को तो पगार मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. Okay. Here what I told, the higher the number, the greater the preference. That means it is giving maximum efficiency. Okay. That's why the given problem is of maximization. Then for maximization problem, what procedure we have to follow here? Earlier problem simply blanks is given. Here instead of blank they have given cross. That means these are not assigned. That's why what I told, if the given problem is of maximization, then you have to assign minus infinity or minus m. In some textbooks it is given as minus infinity or minus m. Profit you have to assign for the prohibited position. That's why wherever cross symbol is there, what I will do? I will assign minus infinity. I will assign minus infinity. Then here, then what we have to do? We have to find out the relative loss matrix. Relative loss matrix or opportunity cost matrix. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in this particular problem, highest element, largest element in the entire matrix is what? 10. You have to subtract from 10. Correct? 10 minus 8. 10 minus 2, here see, here it will remain 10, already we have to subtract 10 minus of minus infinity. Then it will become what? Minus into minus plus 10 plus infinity. If you are adding something to infinity, it remains infinity, right? Then here, my plus infinity will come. Listen, 10, you have to subtract from largest element, 10. Minus, in the formula minus is there, already here we are assigning minus infinity, minus into minus plus 10 plus infinity, adding to infinity, that means it remains infinite. Okay, we are writing that symbol. Okay, 10 minus 5, 5. 10 minus 4, 6. Similarly, 10 minus 10, 0. 10 minus 9, do it. You are habituated right now, I hope. 10 minus 2, 10 minus 8, 10 minus 4, 10 minus 5, 10 minus 4, 10 minus 9, 10 minus 6. Here again 10 minus of minus infinity, Okay, 10 plus infinity. Adding to infinite, then it will remain as it is. 10 minus 3, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 2, 10 minus 8, 10 minus 7, 10 minus 5, 10 minus 6. Here again there is 10. 10 appeared twice. 10 minus 10, 10 minus 4, 10 minus 3. Then this is called as a relative loss matrix. Right now perform row operation. Right now perform row operation. Row operation. Here first row smallest element is what? 2. 2 minus 2. 8 minus 2. Okay, here. Correct na? Infinity minus 2, it remains infinite. Next, if you are deducting from anything from infinity, it remains as it is. Next, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 2. Next, second row remains as it is because 0 is there. 0, 1, 8, 2, 6. Third row, which is smallest, 1 is smallest. 5 minus 1, 4. 6 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 1. Infinity remains as it is. Next, fourth row, which is minimum, 2. 7 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 2. Next, fifth row remains as it is. Next, again what we have to do, we have to perform column operations, right? We have to perform column operation. Perform column operation, everybody. Perform column operation. First column remains as it is. 0, 0, 4, 5, 5. Then 1 is minimum in second column. 6 minus 1, 5. 1 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 4 minus 1. Then third column 0 is there. That's why again it remains as it is. Infinite. 8, 0, 6, 0. Next. Fourth column is also having 0. It remains as it is. 3, 2, 3, 0, 6. Fourth column, 1 is small. Smallest element is 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 6 minus 1, 5. If you are subtracting from infinity, it remains as it is. 7 minus 1, 6. Right now, we will verify for assignments. We will verify for assignments. By looking at glance, okay, if you square this will be cancelled, this will be it. So if you square third row, the single 0, then in fifth row, this 0 will be cancelled out. That means we don't get assignments. We don't get 5 assignments. Then you have to follow Hungarian procedure, step 4. What is step 4? Draw either a horizontal or vertical lines to cover maximum number of zeros. Here, second row is having 2 zeros, fourth row is having 2 zeros, right? Then third column is having 2 zeros, first row is having a single 0, right? Then draw a horizontal line. Here also I have drawn a horizontal line, 2 zeros covered. Third column is having 2 zeros, and this 0 is remaining. Take horizontally. Don't take vertically. Here, ma'am, anyhow, if I take horizontally also, you are covering 1 0. If I take vertical, already this 0 covered. If you take vertically, what happens instead of taking horizontal? This is shortcut. Okay, if you take vertically, what happens? So this 0 intersection point appears. This 0 goes off. That means assignment हम लोग खुद ही A कर रहे हैं. That's why you should not take vertical line. Better to take horizontal line. Okay, then among all elements, all uncovered elements, the smallest element is 3. The smallest element is 3. At intersection point, you have to add then here 0, it remains as it is. 5. If you are adding something to infinity, it remains infinite. It remains as it is. 3, 3. Next 0, 0. Here 8 plus 3, It's 11, 2, 5. Next here, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 0, 3 minus 3, infinite, then 5, 1, here 6 plus 3, it's 9, 0, 0. Next, 5 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 3, 0, 0, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3. Right now, again, do assignments. Find out for assignment. First row, I'm having a single 0. You do it with pencil, don't do it with pen. This 0 will be cancelled out. Second row consists of a single 0. In this particular column, if any other 0 found, cancel it out. This 0 cancelled out, remaining is a single 0. In this particular column, if any other 0 found, cancel it out. In this particular row, this 0 is remaining. Mark it with a square. This will be cancelled out. This 0 cancelled out. Remaining is this 0. Remaining is this 0. Right now, do we got 5 assignments? Yes. A goes to what? 1. A goes to what? 1. It's 8. B goes to 2. B goes to 2. What is the value? In the original matrix, it is 9. C goes to what? 4. What is the value? 6. D goes to 5. D goes to 5. What is the value? 7. E goes to 3. E goes to 3. What is the value? 10. Whatever the answer, write down. 40, right? 13 plus 7, 30. 40. The answer is 40. The answer is 40. Students, any query? Anybody is having any query? All queries or no query?
Ma'am.
Ah,
No, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
tell me.
Yes, actually, I joined a bit later because I was having a network issue.
Okay.
I just have a single doubt that where to assign minus infinity sign. Other, I got it.
Okay. Make a note, everybody. Right now you will remember, later you will forget. Prohibited assignments. You want to make a note? No.
Yeah.
Make
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
For a minimization problem, for a minimization problem, assume whatever it is. ASSUME. Assume within brackets write down plus infinity or plus m. I'm writing on the board. Just go through. Cost. Plus infinity or plus m cost for the prohibited position, for plus infinity or plus m cost for the prohibited position, and proceed further as usual, as usual, as usual. That means Hungarian method. Proceed further as usual means proceed for Hungarian method. Otherwise, you write that way. Next, second sentence. For a maximization problem, assume minus infinity or minus m. Assume minus infinity or minus m profit for the prohibited position. PROHIBITED, prohibited. Profit for the prohibited position and proceed further as usual. Proceed further as usual. Okay, I will ask doubts, okay, because nobody is raising their hands, that's why I will ask doubt. Aditi? Aditi? Aditi is not there? Here it is showing Aditi. Okay. Ashwini?
मैम
Ashwini?
मेरा एक डाउट है
हाँ, बोलिए ना.
मैम। अगर ये क्वेश्चन में अगर समझो ए को 3 वाला असाइनमेंट मिलता, भले ही आंसर में 1 है पर 3 वाला मिलता,
Listen. हाँ, वापस पूछो ये.
तो फिर
हाँ.
ए को अगर 3 असाइनमेंट मिलता तो इसका आंसर क्या आता फिर?
If it is infinity, अभी मैंने रब किया था. For example, if you got assignment in place of infinite, okay? वही
Yes,
क्वेश्चन
ma'am.
मैडम, इन केस इनफाइनाइट में असाइनमेंट मिलता तो क्या होता?
जी मैम।
हाँ, ओके. इनफाइनाइट केस में असाइनमेंट मिला होता तो फॉर एग्जांपल रिमेनिंग 5 मैट्रिक्स, 5 by 5 मैट्रिक्स, 4 असाइनमेंट्स इज ऑफ नंबर, 1 असाइनमेंट इज ऑफ इंफिनिटी. करेक्ट? वही पूछ रहे हैं ना आप?
यस मैम, वही पूछ।
4 असाइनमेंट्स को नंबर मिलता है, 1 असाइनमेंट को इंफिनिटी. वो 4 नंबर्स ऐड करना है, 4 नंबर्स ऐड करना है. Answer here you have to make assignment as infinity. For example, 22 you got the answer. After adding 22 plus infinity you have to write. In general, you don't get this type of questions.
ओके मैम।
In general, you don't get. Okay. Clear?
यस मैम।
I am asking doubts to students. You should answer it. Okay. Snehal. Huh. If the problem was multiple optimum solution, how to identify the problem possess multiple optimum solution? हिंदी में भी बोलो, मराठी भी समझ में आता है, मराठी जो भी लैंग्वेज कंफर्टेबल है वो लैंग्वेज में बात कर सकते हैं. स्नेहल गरुड़, व्हाट क्वेश्चन आई आस्क्ड?
Please repeat the question.
डिस्टर्बेंस है क्या? स्नेहल.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ, स्नेहल.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the
Understood
question?
assignment problem?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking one doubt because Lakshmi ma'am is having so many doubts in assignment problem. I want to clear my doubts. Shall I ask the doubt?
Yes, ma'am. I am just asking to repeat the question.
To repeat the question, okay. If the problem consists of multiple optimum solution, how to identify the assignments? Clear? अभी हम लोगों को प्रॉब्लम पता चला, रो एंड कॉलम कंसिस्ट ऑफ मोर देन 2 zeros and 2 and more than 2 zeros. How to identify? How to identify the assignments? How to find the assignments? प्रैक्टिस कर रहे क्या स्नेहल आप? बी फ्रैंक. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन आई विल आस्क. नेक्स्ट वन, धनश्री. आप लोग डाउट्स पूछते नहीं. नेक्स्ट, धनश्री. गायत्री. गायत्री माने. आज मैं गायकवाड़ सर से लिस्ट लेके आती हूँ आप लोगों का. आनंद. आप लोगों का आंसर नहीं करना है क्या? देन टेल मी. लक्ष्मी मैम, आपका काम सिलेबस पढ़ाना है. यू टीच द सिलेबस एंड गो. देन आई डोंट आस्क. टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स आई डोंट वांट टू आस्क even a single question. You want 50 marks, right? 50 out of 50 you want or you don't want? इसको भी आंसर नहीं है क्या आप लोगों के पास? स्टूडेंट्स. श्रुति.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
आप लोगों को क्या चाहिए? लक्ष्मी मैम, डाउट्स नहीं पूछना चाहिए क्या? 50 आउट ऑफ 50 नहीं चाहिए क्या आप लोगों को?
मैम पूछिए ना डाउट. नो प्रॉब्लम.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. फिर if the problem possesses multiple optimum solution, how to find the assignments?
मैम मल्टीपल अगर मतलब सॉल्यूशंस हो तो वो लाइंस वाला मेथड आपने बताया था ना.
हाँ, लाइन करने के
कर
बाद
सकते हैं।
मल्टीपल ऑप्टिमम सॉल्यूशन पता चलता है। श्रुति वेरी गुड, ट्राई इट आउट। हाँ, ऑप्टिमम
थैंक यू मैम।
हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल लाइंस ड्रा करते हैं, ड्रा करने के बाद आप असाइनमेंट्स, हाँ कभी पता चलेगा मल्टीपल ऑप्टिमम सॉल्यूशन, कभी पता
Yes,
चलता है, एवरीबॉडी लिसन, कभी पता चलता है इफ योर रो और कॉलम कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 zeros एंड मोर देन 2 zeros। मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या है, आप लोग असाइनमेंट्स कैसा फाइंड करते हैं? You have to choose randomly, that is your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to choose
Randomly.
randomly, you have to choose randomly. मगर मैं बोल रहे आप लोग क्वेश्चन कुछ भी पूछे नहीं है, आप लोग
Ma'am,
क्वेश्चन
I have one question.
क्या है? Okay.
Ma'am,
You have to, if the given problem is of multiple optimum solution, you have to choose the assignments randomly. What I asked, how to find the assignments if the problem poses multiple optimum solution. Okay, clear? Next, I will ask one other person. Chaitali? Kshitija?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how to identify whether the given problem is balanced or unbalanced?
मैम अगर रोज एंड कॉलम्स क्या
बराबर,
रोज के नंबर सेम रहेंगे मतलब तो वो बैलेंस्ड है.
very good. If number 4 by 4, then it is balanced. If it is 5 rows and 5 columns, then it is considered as a balanced. Kshitija, if it is unbalanced, what we have to do?
हैव टू ऐड वन. अगर कॉलम्स कम रहेंगे तो कॉलम एक ऐड करेंगे और उसमें सब जीरोस डालेंगे, ऐसे हम बैलेंस कर देंगे.
Okay, very good. Next, I will take right now boy name Mahesh Raut. Mahesh.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mahesh, after performing row operation and column operation, if we are not getting or if we are not finding the assignments, what procedure we will follow? समझ में आया ना क्वेश्चन? समझ में आया क्वेश्चन? समझ में आया क्वेश्चन?
मैम एक बार क्वेश्चन फिर से बता दो.
हाँ, अभी हम लोग पहला स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स देखते हैं, बाद में रो ऑपरेशन कॉलम ऑपरेशन करते हैं. रो ऑपरेशन ऑपरेशन करने के बाद हम लोगों को असाइनमेंट्स नहीं मिला, देन क्या प्रोसीजर ऑप्ट करते हैं?
देन मैम वी यूज हंगेरियन मेथड.
अरे हंगेरियन मेथड स्टेप 1 से ही चालू होता है, हंगेरियन मेथड ही यूज करते हैं, हंगेरियन मेथड ही यूज करते हैं ना. रो ऑपरेशन कॉलम ऑपरेशन कौन सा मेथड होता है? हंगेरियन मेथड नहीं होता है क्या आनंद? हंगेरियन मेथड ही है ना. रो ऑपरेशन कॉलम ऑपरेशन हम लोग जो भी यूज कर रहे हैं वो सब हंगेरियन मेथड ही है ना. रो ऑपरेशन कॉलम ऑपरेशन आपके हिसाब से हंगेरियन मेथड नहीं है क्या? अभी डाउट्स पूछने लगा तो 5 पार्टिसिपेंट्स वेंट ऑफ, चले गए थे. अटेंडेंस
हेलो मैम.
अटेंडेंस.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ बताइए.
Yes, ma'am. We have to use line method. We have to draw vertical and horizontal lines containing
Very good.
most number of zeros.
Very good. May I
And
know
then
your name?
after that, if we get assignment, then if we not get assignment, then we have to follow same iteration.
Very good. May I know your
We
name?
have to draw vertical. Prashant Agarkar.
Okay. Very good. Anand, रो ऑपरेशन कॉलम ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करने के बाद we will check for assignments. If we will get assignments, then that is the optimum solution. हम लोगों को ऑप्टिमम सॉल्यूशन असाइनमेंट्स 5 by 5 मैट्रिक्स लिया, 5 असाइनमेंट्स नहीं मिला तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल लाइंस ड्रा करेंगे. You have to tell that answer. Prashant had answered. Okay. Rishikesh. ऋषिकेश, ये लोग बात ही नहीं करना चाहते हैं क्या? अनीशा, अनीशा, अनीशा कदम, अनीशा, then Anisha Nair, Anisha Nair.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain the procedure for maximization problem? Initial 2 steps.
Okay, ma'am. If it is maximization model, then from the matrix we have to find out the largest number.
Very good.
And all the other numbers has to be deducted from that largest number.
Very good, Anisha. Very good. Keep it up. Next. Shruti. Shruti.
Yes, ma'am.
Shruti. What are the
Yes, ma'am.
steps? What are the steps required for Hungarian method after verifying the given matrix is balanced matrix? What are
We
the
have to row operation and column operation.
Row operation, how to perform, Shruti?
In row operation, we have to see the lowest number.
Very good.
And then we have to deduct that number from other numbers in that row.
In that particular row. That is important. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Similarly, we have to perform the column operation. Similarly, we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to perform the column operation. Next. Sampada. More number of girls. Sampada.
Yes, ma'am.
Sampada. What is the objective of assignment problem?
I don't know, ma'am.
Why? ऐसा कैसा हो सकता है? एक क्लास मिस किया, 2 क्लास मिस किया, तो यू शुड आस्क योर फ्रेंड्स ना. वो मेरा मिस्टेक नहीं है ना, आपको पता नहीं है. आप पूछना चाहिए ना पहले क्लासेस में, फॉर एग्जांपल व्हाट एवर द रीजंस. कभी भी
Yes,
ऐसा
ma'am.
नहीं बोलेगा. ठीक है संपदा, नेक्स्ट टाइम से जो भी हुआ पहले लेक्चर में फ्रेंड्स से पूछ के लेना है.
Yes, ma'am.
Boys, less number of boys or what? Here, Yash, Shardul, सोमेश. अरे अदरवाइज आप लोग बता दीजिए. लक्ष्मी मैम क्वेश्चंस मत पूछिए, फिर मैं नहीं पूछूंगी. What is
Ma'am,
your
objective is one person can perform only one task.
Very good. The objective of assignment, may I know who is this?
Anshul, ma'am.
Anshul. Okay, yesterday also you had answered very well. Very good. Keep it up. One person can do one job at a time here with the maximum efficiency, right? Anshul, correct na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Balaji. Balaji. It's almost time up or what? Boys, क्यों नहीं बात कर रहे? Okay. Tomorrow means you will get a video related to transportation problem. You will get a video related to transportation problem. Just to go through that video, then Monday I will start transportation problem. These 2 days, solve the problems. One more set I will send the problems. Okay? Solve those problems. With answers I will send.
Yes.
With answers I will send. Whatever the set right now I will send. Now with answers I will send. Yesterday problems also. Gaikwad sir, maybe he had not sent that. I will ask him today. Okay?
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Yes, ma'am.
Almost 1 minute. If you are having any doubts, you can rise. आप लोग ऐसा पूछे नहीं तो मेरे को कैसा पता